Well, today I'm at my neighbor's house and we're going to put these stacked stones back on. They've come loose over the years, and so I've got them lined up here how they're going to go back on, so it's not that difficult. So we'll proceed with that. And so what we're going to use for this is the Loctite Power Grab Ultimate. Now, I found in using this before, this definitely works, especially when we've got a place where we can't really support it once it's up. This works. So we're going to cut off the tip. We'll put it in the caulking gun, and we'll start. We're going to start off by taking this wire brush, and we're going to just scrape, maybe find if there's anything real loose here. Now I could chip this off, but I'm afraid to hit the stucco, and behind the stucco isn't block wall or cement or anything, so I'm going to work around that and not chip this off. And then what we want to do after we've done that, we're going to take some TSP that will clean the surface, and this happened to be TSP substitute, and we're going to take that pour some in a little container there, and then we're going to look for the cap. I've got it, and we're just going to brush it on. This will clean the surface and get it ready for our adhesive. And we'll even clean off the stacked stones we're going to use. Well, I'm going to start with the bottom row here first, and I've got that propped up, as you can see. That way, help us. And then for the second row, that'll be held by the first row. So with that said, let's go put some adhesive on. And what I'm going to do is put some extra globs right where the original mortar wasn't, so we have a better chance of it sticking. And then we'll just pull it. Wow, it's even just to see, and we're getting plenty of adhesion, if you can see contact, so that's good. Contact is always good. And one thing that we've got going for us here, the stacked stone is just that, stone, and so it's not flush. So even though this sticks out just a bit, it just goes with the rest of the facade. So now we'll just go on up to the second one. And when you put those globs on, it's got to be higher than the mortar, right?
So I did a good job on the middle one, like this top one, but not this as much. There. Is that, what do you think?
Sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, do it. Put it on the cardboard.
Yeah.
And pull out, let the pressure off. That's it, and pull it out a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. And then this.
That's good. I mean, yeah.
Okay.
Just, you'll see, just try just at the edge to pull it out, just a smidge. I mean, not there. See, you can tell then it's grabbing.
Not quite grabbed, but I just hope this can still fit. That's my... Yeah, I think with a little push. Okay. What do you think?
I think it looks like you're a pro.
I'm a pro.
You look at that. So we're going to put another course here. Another stone on the bottom course, and as you can see, it's propped up again too. And I dry fit these before. I did this. I'm on my second tube, and this time we made the opening a lot bigger now that we can sense how much we need. And then a couple globs here, same as we did on the other one. Guess one of the main things you want to make sure it's level in this case. And you got to tap it not 8 times, not 9 times, but 10 times to get the good bonding. Kidding. Put one last one in here. Just goes in like a glove. Glove taps. Look at that. Well, there you have it. It's as good as new, if not better. I'm going to leave the supports up because why not? I don't need them, so we'll leave those up overnight. They'd probably be able to take them off now. So there it is. And it comes with a out-of-sight guarantee. It's guaranteed till I'm out of sight. Well, thanks again for watching. See you on my next project. Well, we took out the support blocks, and it held real nice. So we left those in overnight just because. But there you have it. An easy way to fix some stack stone.